We are unboxing this $89 military fatigues or military pants from Bronson Manufacturing in China. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome to the show. This is Pinoy City Boy, a fashion vlog currently focusing on the city boy look or the city boy scene in Japan and how that could possibly relate to somebody like me who's a little older. I'm 40 something. Can I um, carry off this city boy look? So, just a little bit of backstory how I got here before we do the actual unboxing of this. As I mentioned, this $89 military fatigues from Bronson Manufacturing. So I lost access to my Facebook and I started just scrolling through Instagram and I gravitated towards this certain look where the base was always military pants or military cargo pants that's kind of oversized or baggy, and then usually a denim top for the top, and then all sorts of accessories. So, like I mentioned, the base for the city boy look is usually some type of military cargo pants, but not just any military cargo pants. They're usually oversized or very baggy. So in the process of scrolling through my feed and looking at all these influencers and all these models and all these brands, this particular store or brand kept popping up, and it's called Bronson Manufacturing. And after a little research and even just looking through the comments, I found out that Bronson Manufacturing is out of China. So when you look at their Instagram feed or a lot of their Instagram posts, a lot of people are asking, is this made in the US or is this from the US? Because it is the heritage and it is the military look, and they got a lot of good stuff in there, but it's not necessarily manufactured in the States or in the US. So I thought to myself, these look good, but let's see it for ourselves and for the benefit of the viewers or the benefit of those looking to purchase from Bronson Manufacturing. Watch this video and then you can judge for yourself if you do want to go ahead and check out those pants or that top or any accessories that you're looking to purchase from Bronson Manufacturing. If that sounds good to you, please consider watching all the way to the end. And if you like what you watch, please give the video a like and consider subscribing. And most importantly, if you like the content of this, please drop a comment in the comment section below. That really helps the channel so that I can continue showing you content about the city boy fashion scene in Japan and other scenes in the future. So let's get to it. So again, we are unboxing or unpacking. Is it still unboxing if there's no box? We are unboxing this military fatigues from Bronson Manufacturing. Again, Bronson Manufacturing is out of China. When I ordered this, it took about more than a week for this to arrive. And then on the tracking, it did show that it was coming from a warehouse in China. Although the shipping department here says 5215 South Boyle Avenue in Vernon, California, 90058. So this got to me from LA. But yeah, it came all the way from China. And like I said, it did take a while to arrive. And this was, I think it retails for around $75 on the site. And the shipping was around $14 to $15. So the shipping wasn't cheap. And then it took a while. It wasn't a 3 to 5 business day delivery period. It took more than a week. When I think about it now, though, after the other military fatigues that I've bought locally, this is more on the more expensive end. So it totals to about $80 or $79 to be exact. And I was like, on second thought, that's pretty pricey. That might be a little bit more than I want to spend trying this look out in the future. In any case, it's already here. So let's see what it looks like. I'm really hoping the quality is good because the pictures are really good. but I'm hoping the quality is even better. So let's go ahead and unbox this or unpack this. Oh yeah, so that so you know this is really brand new. I'm just opening this for the first time. I see a garment care customer service card. Would have been nicer if this was in an envelope. And you have the logo of Bronson Manufacturing right there. And their website is worldwideweb.bronsonshop.com for those looking to shop there. And yeah, and you do have all the garment care instructions in the back, but also the return or refund, or oh, it doesn't say return. It just says refund or exchange, and then says contact our customer service to obtain a return address or a return label. So it's not like you can't return it. You can return it if you want to. So let's see on the quality if I'm not happy with how it looks compared to my purchases from Uniqlo or the Gap. Maybe I'll go and return this. Also, what I wanted to say was anything that I feature on the channel or in the episodes are not sponsored by any of these brands or businesses. So I bought these myself, so definitely not biased or anything. I'll give you the real deal. So yeah, there's this card inside. And then this is the actual, oops, get rid of that. This is the actual packaging it comes in. So it's just a plastic bag and it says Wear Bronson, heart made. This is kind of how you know it's not from a US company. It says heart made. I don't know what they're trying to say there or what they're trying to communicate, but it's heart made. It seems like awkward English. Timeless clothing, because they do specialize in heritage and not just military apparel. So it is heritage wear. I didn't even know that's what it was called when I got into this. So apparently it's heritage wear. Guaranteed your money. Color, I got the olive and then the size small. One interesting thing about Bronson Manufacturing when I ordered is I instantly received an email from an assistant that was asking me or guiding me that, hey, you might need a bigger size or a smaller size. So there was somebody there double checking the size just to make sure you don't return it because you're not happy with the size, whether it's too big or too small. And I did tell her that I'm a size 32 in the waistline and let me know if I should have sized up or sized down. And she said it's fine. So about a week and a half later or more than a week later, it's here. So it's nothing special about the packaging, just plastic. And there's the pants inside, like a Ziploc bag. Let's open this up and see how the pants feel. So it says United States Army uniform on there, manufactured by Bronson Manufacturing Company. A little nice touch. Rugged Bronson Equipment Department, Air Transport Command, cabin identification tag, and some blanks for other information. Yeah, there's a little effort there in the packaging to give it some touch of more than just sending you the bag or the item. At first glance, I'm already seeing some weird, like, the stitching is not perfect, so there's some weird. Yeah, I don't like that for what I paid for it. So I'm not happy about that. It feels a little, not completely threadbare, but it's a little thin compared to, for example, the Uniqlo parachute pants that I got. And those were nylon, so that's different. But yeah, it could be that they're comfortable or that they're light, so that's okay. It's not completely thick cotton material or anything like that. Yeah, but I'm not happy about this stitch part here. Yeah, that doesn't look like looks slipshod. For $80, I'm not happy about that. So Now let's pull this up. There you go. Yeah, not a lot of like nice touches in here. There's just, is this magnet or yeah, there's a back pocket. One back pocket here. And then some side. The reason why I like these military fatigues is these, you can fasten them at the leg so that they look like joggers. So no matter how long they are, you can tie them up on the ankles and they're a little bit more streamlined so your shoes can pop out. So yeah, and then there's drawstring also at the waist. There's two drawstrings here, one near the waist and another one near the zip. Oh no, this is not. It's just something to pull the zipper, which might kind of look awkward. You have this dangling from the top zipper. There you go. And then just a couple of touches here with buttons. There's some text in the inside just to make it look kind of military-ish. There's some instructions about what you do with the buttons here. Maybe you can add some other items there that you can connect with this. So there you go. You know, at first glance, of course I'll try it on, but upon first glance, I am not really very happy with it. It feels cheap. Doesn't, the pictures are very deceiving as well. It seemed like there were a whole lot more details or stuff in the pictures. It looked like there was so much more going on, and then in the actual pants it seems like very simple. Yeah, it doesn't look like in the picture I felt like there were more strings or more attachments to it. Am I missing something? I guess it does feel comfortable, but I don't think it's as comfortable as the Uniqlo ones that I have. And then on the pockets, so there's a flap there. It's a reverse flap. And then it's just like simple buttons, nothing. And it doesn't look like they're well constructed either. Yeah, I feel like these are gonna fall off ultimately. Kind of deep pockets there. Yeah. I mean, they're pretty baggy, pretty oversized, perfect for that look that you're going for. But yeah, all in all, a little disappointed Bronson Manufacturing for what I paid for this. I'm gonna try them on and see if they fit well, but if they don't, I'm already like 60 to 70% thinking of I'm gonna return this. Not particularly satisfied with it, especially with the wait time. So let's see how that return process goes, if it's gonna be easy or whatnot. But all in all, very poor quality packaging, and then the stitching, and then the faithfulness to the photo from the actual pants themselves. I felt like it was so much more. So all in all, I wouldn't recommend it. Those people looking to buy from Bronson Manufacturing, I would think twice based on this. They still have a couple of items that I do want to check out. They have these really nice striped t-shirts and some hats. But based off of this, not very happy with it. So you know how if it there's still some perception that if it's made in China and if it's a certain price or however, it might not be the best quality, and this kind of reinforces that. So I'm sorry, not very happy with it, not very satisfied. So I bought a ton other military fatigues from other brands, and I will be showing them in other episodes or in future episodes. So hopefully it's a better experience or they're better quality pants than what I'm looking for. But so far, I may not be ordering military fatigues from Bronson Manufacturing anymore. So I apologize for that, and yeah, I'm really disappointed. Um, yeah, maybe I will return it and I'll let you know how that return process goes. Until then, this is Pinoy City Boy. I will see you in the next episode. Hope you like this one. And if you did, please like the video, comment below, and consider subscribing. It really helps the channel if you do that, and it encourages me to come up with more content like this. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.